Hi all. Today we will talk about how we can improve our life in next 6 months. So what are the things in your life that are holding you back? What are your biggest fears? Once you know what you don't want, you can start to focus on what you do want. So become brutally aware of what you don't want. Create a vision board. What is the opposite of the life you don't want? What does your ideal life look like? Write down in as much detail as possible about your vision. Develop a strategy and plan. How are you going to achieve your vision? Break your goal down into a smart ways which is specific, measurable, actionable, being realistic and time bound. Disappear disappear from the things that don't belong in your life. This means cutting out from the people, activities and habits that are holding you back. Get away from things which are not bringing any positive outcomes. It may be difficult at first, but it's worth it to create a space for the things that you do want. Embrace the boring fundamentals. The things that most people don't want to do are often the most important. Things like working hard, being disciplined, and staying focused are essential for success. Prioritize long term success and mastery. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time and efforts to achieve anything worthwhile. Focus on the long term and don't give up. Reflect and adjust as you go along. It's important to reflect on your progress and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to change your plans if something isn't working. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and grow. Don't be afraid to take a risk and challenge yourself. Surround yourself with supportive people. Find people who believe in you and who will support your goals. Celebrate small wins. It's important to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. This will help you stay motivated and be on track. If you follow these steps, you will be well on your way to getting ahead of 99% of people in 6 to 12 months. Just remember to be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams.